Hi guys! Good morning. Buksan mo. We're in the bundok-bundok.
Gutom ka na ba?
Mantok pa ako. Siyempre, meron ako. So guys, kanina pa kami naglalakad. Smells like nature.
I love nature.
Love na love ni Coach in Korea. Dito na siya
I
Twitter.
love it! Oh my God!
Coach, adobo? Adobo! Adobo. Yo. Si Coach ka. Nice one.
Sherry, you are from Philippines? I know Sherry from Korea. You are singer? Oh. Kinat Kar.
Training na kami ng freestyle kumse, yung first training namin.
Look at the gym, bro.
Hmm?
Look at the gym, bro.
Tapos na kami mag-training. Bye.